Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Dylan here. Well, in today's video, we are exposing the truth about Uber CEO Dara Khosrowshahi. So Dara, if you're watching this, I'm sorry, but I'm exposing the truth on you. Everything I will be reading in this video will be factual, so there's really nothing wrong with that. I just think that this is, he has an alternative agenda that I think a lot of drivers are not aware of. And if you do drive for Uber, you probably won't want to drive for Uber after you watch this video, because I just believe what Uber CEO Dara is, he doesn't care about drivers. I'm going to share that, and I'm going to, actually tell you guys and show you guys the harsh reality of what the Uber CEO really cares about. Before we jump in, if you're looking for a new way to make money, there is an incredible opportunity to make money on your phone. It's super easy. It's a brand new way to make money. It's called Tik Tok Shop. As you can see, I've been doing this for a little bit, just as soon as it launched, and TikTok's been helping me out, paying me $7,000, $4,000, $14,000. These are all separate payments I've gotten, and I have several of them. I don't want to screenshot every single one. But I have a training video below, and once you join my community, there's a 30-day free trial, so you can try it out, and there's no fees to set up your TikTok shop page either. And you basically just review products that make short, simple little videos, and people are making thousands of dollars. I've been making thousands of dollars on TikTok, so click the link below. For right now, there's a 30-day free trial, and yeah, you can try it out. And again, you don't need any experience, you don't need a following. Typically, you would need to have millions of followers to make money on TikTok, but now they just opened up the door for anybody. So maybe this is a good time for you if you're looking for a new way to make money. And if you want to make money fast, it's a good opportunity too. Okay, so let's dive right in. So I wanted to first of all show this. I have a few articles pulled up that I want to share with you guys. The average Uber driver and Uber Eats driver saw their earnings decline over 15% in 2023 per Gridwise. So drivers are making less and less money, but what's going up? What's going up is inflation. The cost of living, inflation is going up and up and up. United States inflation rate. It's just been going up and up and up. Like, look at this. The rate of inflation, monthly 12-month inflation rate. The cost of living is going up. Cost of rent graph. We can just take a look at this. What is the cost of average rental price in California and market trends? Can we see this price range? It's been going, yeah, rental properties. Look how much it's been increasing. We can just see, I don't need to show you guys the graphs here, the data. You guys understand that cost of living is going up. Cost of vehicle ownership is going up. So if you, take a look at this here, this is the United States median rents. It's going up and up and up, and the average Uber driver's earnings are declining. Well, what do you know about Dara Khosrowshahi? He claims that he loves drivers, but now California has approved electric car mandate for Uber and Lyft. So in California, drivers have to buy an electric car or rent an electric car by 2030, or else they will get deactivated. And Uber CEO might say, oh, well, you know what? That's California doing it. That's not me. Well, guess who he's all good buddies with? Governor Gavin Newsom. Dara Khosrowshahi tweeted out, great to run into Governor Gavin Newsom at Climate Week, New York City. Thanked him for his climate leadership in California, and shared Uber's climate commitments, including $800 million to support drivers to move to EVs. So he's literally behind this whole push to get drivers to move to EVs. What an absolute joke. And he doesn't realize that drivers are homeless. Drivers are living out of their cars. A lot of drivers can barely even afford their car payment. And what is Uber's future, plan for profitability? Self-driving cars. Uber does not care about the drivers. Their whole plan is to replace the drivers. Uber is the only company that if you drive at, you're literally funding your own replacement. They are looking to replace you in the future, and they're starting with this electric car BS, garbage, together on the road to zero emissions. Uber is completely behind this, guys. Uber loves this. They have a whole section on their website saying how they support this. And I think it's completely stupid because these electric cars, they are not meant to be driven full time. There was even a video about a guy, an Uber driver. He drove 100,000 miles with a Tesla. Yep, this guy right here. He drove 100,000 miles on his Tesla, and guess what happened? It broke down. So his car broke down, and they ended up wanting to charge him $14,000, and they had to start an entire GoFundMe. They started a GoFundMe to replace his battery. How insane is that?
To go back now, and to be fair to them, I think when they made the cars, they were not made for rideshare. They weren't thinking about people like me that's gonna like do 5,000 miles in 2 weeks. Some people don't do 5,000 miles in 2 months.
I'm curious though if there are other people out there watching this video.
Dropped it, saying, well, we have looked at your battery, you know, it's gonna cost you now about $9 grand to have the battery. I'm stuck. I have the car in their facility. There's no other service provider that can look at it and, you know, give me another battery or whatever. So
okay, so anyways, this video is 34 minutes long. I'm not going to play the whole thing, but this just goes to show Tesla, which is the #1 electric vehicle company in America, their cars can't even survive full-time Uber driving. So when California now pushes a mandate that all Uber and Lyft drivers have to drive electric cars, meanwhile the best electric car company, they can't even, you know, their cars can't even handle full-time Uber driving. It's just crazy to me, and it makes you wonder what is really going on. Again, I don't have all the answers, but when they're mandating this, they're forcing drivers to go electric or else they will be deactivated at the same time that these cars are not even built for rideshare. That makes me think. That makes me really question how stupid Governor Gavin Newsom is and how foolish this guy is, because he should be looking out for drivers, not forcing them to go out and, you know, or not forcing, but pressuring drivers to go out and buy these $30,000, $40,000 cars that can't even withstand it. And by the way, I looked up, Uber CEO, I looked up your political activity. You're an outspoken critic of the immigration policy of Trump. You donated to the Hillary Clinton Fund. He also donated to Utah Republican Senator Mike Lee, a supporter of libertarianism. Oh yeah, that dude's barely a Republican. But he's donated to the Democratic National Committee. I mean, this dude, he caused controversy in an interview when he compared the assassination of Jamal Khashoggi to the death of Elaine Herzberg by an Uber self-driving car in 2018. He called them both mistakes that can be forgiven. What an absolute joke. Any person who is, you know, super liberal, friends with Governor Gavin Newsom, pushing mandates on things that haven't even been proven to, you know, Uber and Lyft drivers have to do electric cars, when meanwhile, this guy went out there and tested it himself. He drove 100,000 miles on the Tesla, and then Tesla told him, look, our cars aren't meant for ride sharing. Really makes you question it. And what did Uber just do? They donated or invested $100 million into this company called Move. And what is Move, you might wonder? Move is committed to building the largest and most productive hybrid and EV fleet in the world. Oh yeah, Uber's donating to this garbage. EVs, electric vehicle fleet. Yeah, how great is that? 3 steps to vehicle ownerships. Find out how you can own a vehicle and driver partner platforms in just 5 days. Yeah, I mean, they're really gonna start, if you're an Uber driver, you know, we're getting close to 2030. That's just 5 short years away. If you don't wanna get deactivated, you gotta, you know, buy one of these stupid cars. Give me an absolute break, okay? Anyways, I'm gonna end the video there, but again, if you're interested in TikTok Shop, you can click the link below, and there's a 30-day free trial right now. So once you start it, you will have, you know, Oh, I'm already signed into my account, so that's why it's charging me. It's showing up as $29.99. I made a dummy account so I could just, you know, go into it myself as an example. But anyways, yeah, once you go into that, oh yeah, I can actually show you guys. It'll say 000 for you, but once you log in, then you can click on My Programs and you can start the TikTok Shop program, and that way you will actually be able to, you know, this is the How to Make Money on TikTok Shop. You can view the program and then watch all the course material. And then what you can do is go into the group. Sorry, it's loading, but I can just show you guys. This is where it is TikTok Shop Affiliate and then TikTok Shop Seller. So you get access to actually 2 courses in here. And then what you can do is you can join the group chat as well. And that way you can interact with everybody in the community, interact with me, and start building out your page. Anyways, guys, we also have the Faceless YouTube channel program as well you can start, and the Shopify dropshipping program. All these have 30-day free trials. So let me know if you sign up for any of those. Otherwise, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. We'll talk soon. Bye now.